Lynyrd Skynyrd, Last of the Street Survivors, Farewell Tour, Sunday, September 2nd, Labor Day weekend, EverBank Field, home of the Jaguars, Hall of Famers, Lynyrd Skynyrd, and they're bringing along their friends, Kid Rock and Jason Aldean. Multi-platinum selling, Kid Rock.
With a top left back and the sunshine shining. Cowboy, baby.
3-time ACM Entertainer of the Year, Jason Aldean. The most rockin' Labor Day party that goes all day and all night, featuring all-day activities. Jason Aldean, Kid Rock, and Lynyrd Skynyrd. Plus more special guests to be announced. Sunday, September 2nd, Labor Day weekend, EverBank Field, home of the Jaguars. Lynyrd Skynyrd celebrating their final bow with Kid Rock, Jason Aldean.